Hi, welcome to Deel. We are happy to have you on board. We know that you might have many questions as you onboard with us in Bosnia and Herzegovina, so we will be going through country-specific information such as proof of work, tax card PK1002, voluntary health insurance unregistration, unused paid time off from a previous employer. In order to work in Bosnia and Herzegovina, we must confirm work eligibility. If you are a citizen of Bosnia and Herzegovina, for this purpose, please upload a scan of both sides of your national ID. If you are a foreign citizen, we will need you to upload your passport with a scanned document with your residency permit and personal work permit issued by the local authorities. Tax card PK1002 is a document issued by the tax office in the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina. If your residence is in the Federation of Bosnia and Herzegovina, please visit the tax office to obtain the document. If you have a residence in other entities, you will need to visit Sarajevo to obtain a tax card. If you do not have a tax card, they will not be able to process tax deductions based on the local law. In case you do not have a tax card, you can upload a statement signed by you in which you state that you do not have a document and will upload it once you obtain one. We will leave on you to decide if you will proceed and obtain the document. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, all full-time employees are registered with Public Health Care Fund and Public Pension Fund. For Deel to make the registration as your employer, it is necessary that you are not registered at the time employment with Deel starts. In case you have been previously working, it is necessary that your employer makes a deregistration with the end date that is prior to the start date of Deel. In such cases, you should upload the YS 3100 form where the end date of deregistration is being written. If you have been unemployed and registered to public health insurance based on being unemployed, please provide the document from the unemployment service in which you have been deregistered from the public health insurance. In any other case, if you have public insurance on some other basis, please visit the local health insurance fund to request deregistration from the system and ask for a document that you have been deregistered. This is very important as in case that at the time your employment starts, you are enrolled in public health insurance, they will not be able to register your employment relationship with the local tax office, and there will be a delay in a planned start date. Article 52, paragraph 4 of the labor law stipulates that in case of termination of the employment contract, the employer is obliged to pay compensation to the employee who did not use the whole or a part of the annual leave. We understand that in practice, there are employers who issue a document that states some annual leave has not been used. This is not compliant with the local law. Having this said, Deel cannot accept any document that states that there are days of unused annual leave with the previous employer that should be transferred to the employment at Deel. Thank you for your time to learn more about Deel.